Hello Angel and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you information that is relevant to boost the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. So I will be covering the website, the front page, the Google business profile and something that we call backlinks. So right now I am looking at your website. I actually noticed that you have like a landing page where you have to click and then you have access to the different services and products that you provide. So in terms of the amount of content, actually I noticed that the pictures are correctly saved with relevant keywords, so that's well done for that, but not too much content. If I have a look at two of your competitors, Quality Railings Miami, these guys have the click to call button over here. They have a little bit of more information. They are sitting around 400 words and they have the gallery as well. And they are ranking at the top for one of the keywords. And if I have a look at Miami Railing Designs, they also have a little bit more content. They are sitting around 550 words and they have links to the different type of services that they have and type of materials that they work with. So it's a good idea just to have a look at, revisit and revamp your website just to include more and more relevant keywords so that Google can find you more easily. Now, I came here to the Google. Something that I forgot to mention is that you see here, this security certificate is expired. So that's something that you actually want to have a look as well because Google wants to provide websites that are safe to navigate. Now, I came here to the Google search and I type in Railings Miami, which is a buyer intent keyword. The first section is the Google Ads, which are really good at generating leads quickly. Then the next section is the Google Map Packs or GBP, Google Business Profile. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories. And the name, address, and phone number need to be an exact match with those details of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify them and you can rank at the top. The third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found the two competitors. And to rank here, first your website needs to be built correctly in terms of the content and the interlinking, and then you need something that we call as backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool, I am actually looking at the back end of your website. I can see that there are 71 backlinks in 14 external websites directing traffic towards your website. If I have a look at Quality Railings Miami, I can see that they have 201 backlinks in 16 external websites, and Miami Railings Design, they have 583 backlinks in 333 referring domains. So basically what you want to have a look is to strengthen this backlink profile so that you can signal to Google that you're an authority in that particular topic. And you also want to pay attention where those links are sitting because you want them to be on websites that are relevant to the services and to the industry that you operate in so that Google can start regarding you as an authority as well. So now in terms of the content, your website is being found for 28 organic keywords. And in here, I can see what those keywords are. So some of them are related to your brand. Then you have Ironworks Miami. The volume is the number of times this particular keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So you can see here, these are the keywords, Iron Doors Miami, search volume 40, you're in the 8th and 9th position, and you're in the top position, of course, for your brand. But then, apart from that, you're already ranking way up higher, so your website is not capable of generating too much traffic. If I have a look at Quality Railings, these guys are being found for 7 organic keywords, and some of those keywords are aluminum railing Miami, stair railing Miami, Miami railings, and these are buyer intent keywords, which is basically the ones that you want to target. And then what you want to do is that you want to identify what are those keywords so that you can sprinkle them all over your website, and you want to target those that have a high search volume, because then a percentage, because then if you add up that volume, that's the number of times your website is going to be in front of potential customers, and then a percentage of those potential customers is going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land and to convert into new customers. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you like it. Please feel free to use this information to improve and attract more customers. And please don't forget to give me some feedback. My name is Viviana Olaya and my contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.